So after everything I have put this bike through, I recently decided that joining my mate on a motorbike ride through the desert would be a good idea. The desert. Am I stupid? As most of you know, I cannot say enough good things about this motorbike, but after a very short and embarrassing attempt at tackling the sand in Tasmania, I thought I'd found the limits of this bike's capabilities. But it turns out I was very, very wrong.
I'm losing my grip, and I'm starting to trip. Open your eyes, open up wide, there's no time for lies. It's hard not to let go, and when somebody tells you I told you so, turn up the radio and bring us up, up, up.
look, I know I keep harping on about how awesome this little bike is, but when you spend just $5 grand on something that you think is going to be a little bit of fun on your days up and it ends up taking you the places that this thing has taken me, I can't help but feel like I've found my own little unicorn. If you do have any questions about the bike or any of the mods that I've done, please let me know. I could talk about this thing for weeks. Thank you so much for sticking around, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.